there, friend. I'm Dizzy the Dolphin. I love to leap through waves, sing with clicks, and play tag with my ocean buddies. The sea is my home, and I swim super fast, almost like flying underwater. Did you know dolphins talk to each other using sounds like clicks, whistles, and squeaks? It's like having our own secret language. Pretty cool, right? Now it's your turn. Grab your paper and let's draw me. Step by step, line by line, you'll make a splash with your art skills. Ready? Let's go!
Dizzy the dolphin with a grin. My home's the ocean, come on dive in. We'll draw together line by line, a sea blue friend, and that's me this time. I've got a white belly and a big blue back, a curvy tail and a gentle splash track. You'll draw my fins and flippy tail, swish swish strokes like a dolphin trail. Draw and sing from heart to fin. Let the ocean art begin. Lines and curves so soft and true. Every stroke belongs to you. Draw and sing from heart to fin. Let the ocean art begin. Lines and curves so soft and true. Every stroke belongs to you.
You're doing fantastic. Keep going.
First a curve like a rainbow wave. That's my back, strong and brave. Then draw my nose, long and round. Bubble pop joy in every sound. Add a belly that arches low. Underwater lines that gently flow. One fin here and one goes wide, like I'm swimming by your side. Draw and sing from heart to fin. Let the ocean art begin. Lines and curves so soft and true. Every stroke belongs to you. Draw and sing from heart to fin. Let the ocean art begin. Lines and curves so soft and true. Every stroke belongs to you.
Artists like you make the ocean brighter.
Now a flipper tail, like a heart, two swooshes down, and you're doing your part. A smiling eye, a little dot, flip flap joy, you drew a lot. Color me blue with a touch of gray, my ocean coat from day to day. Crayons ready, wiggle wiggle fun. We color slow, no need to run. Draw and sing from heart to fin. Let the ocean art begin. Lines and curves so soft and true. Every stroke belongs to you. Draw and sing from heart to fin. Let the ocean art begin. Lines and curves so soft and true. Every stroke belongs to you.
Wow, that line looks awesome, just like mine.
I've got fish friends, turtles too. We all believe in art just like you. When you draw, you make us smile. Come swim with us a little while. The ocean's wide, the coral's bright. Adventure lives in every light. Blink, blink, dreams in every light.
dolphins need to practice, and you're doing great. Wow, you did amazing. Look at that dolphin. It's flippertastic. You're such a cool artist. Next time we'll draw something even more awesome. Can't wait to dive in again with you.